Congrats! Congrats! 90-71. Ginebra. Good job. Parado para kay Ginebra. Yun. Yun, ang bilis na wala. Congrats, Japet.
This game, so it's like a best of 3 na lang ang masusunod ng mga particulars natin. Ano mga adjustments binigay sa atin ni Coach Tim coming into game 4?
Yeah, we just follow mga adjustments na binigay sa atin in the start of game. Basically, pinaglaban namin yung series,
Alright, congratulations. So, Japet, ako ba shoutout sa mga fans mo, sa lahat ng mga Ginebra, San Miguel fans, at sa lahat ng mga mga PBAs.
shoutout sa lahat ng mga Ginebra fans, Meralco fans, at fans ng PBA, shoutout sa family ko na nandito na
Maraming salamat.
Shout out.
PJ Mendes from Dasma. Powcast Idol.
Salamat. Wala na, bad trip sa akin. Gusto kong umakyat lagi eh. Hindi ko namin naman. Sobra eh. Sabi ko, tsaka hindi nakikinig ng sagot. Ano tayo sa PPA Major Room. Try natin umabot. Ayan na. Ano tayo sa Major Room. Ito guys yung advantage ko dito. Meron akong access sa behind the scene. Sa dugout. Yes, dugout.
I just felt the energy was so much better. We started differently. We really brought out, LA and Stanley to start and give us that veteran presence to come out and play and really get into our execution. And this guy just really responded. And he's got a lot of things going on, and so him to be able to come out and do this kind of stuff and still do this stuff at this level is just truly, truly amazing. So, but we wouldn't have done it without those two guys coming out and playing well and getting us off to a good start. And they even doing that also starting the second half as well, coming out. And that gave us a chance to rest people. We played well, so we're able to rest some of the starters in the fourth quarter. So hopefully we'll have some energy to give